Everybody, and a special thanks to all the members of the press for joining us today for what really is a momentous milestone in the life of Vogue India. As a woman, a mother, a daughter, wife, and as the editor of a fashion magazine that is largely produced by women for women, thank you. Mr. Rahman, may I please request you to say a few words about Ronak, about the album, the inspiration, your journey with it, and collaborating with us on Vogue Empower.
Certain things happen, and it's understanding. Even certain things you plan, it never happens. This one, I met Kapil Sibal Saab at a common friend's house around a year back, and we agreed to do an album. He gave some beautiful lyrics, out of which Ladli, which you're going to see the video now in a few moments, is a very special song. And so when Vogue, the whole campaign Vogue Empire happened, I felt this would be the right thing to attach to, and it'll complement. And so it all fell into place, and we had a video by Bijoy Nambiar, and Lataji singing, and I'm singing too. And we're going to see that song very soon. We will see it soon. And let's see, I'm excited.
On that cue, hello?
Yeah, you take this one.
Sorry. On that cue, Mr. Rahman's hauntingly soul-stirring and beautiful music found the perfect lover and partner in the most poignant, poetic, and powerful prose provided by none other than the senior advocate of the Supreme Court, Mr. Kapil Sibal. I'd now like to invite Mr. Sibal and Mr. Sanujit Bhujabal, Marketing Director of Sony Music India, to please join us on stage to reveal Ronak. so much. Thank you so much. Can we get that? Can we get a photo op? I think all the men are together. I think maybe we should get some of the women. And I do want to come that side. We all look like India. Thank you. Thank you. Can we get the chart, please? In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. So you all have to.
Go back, sir.
No, not at all. You cannot go anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Can I take up? Could I request, Mr. Rahman, could I request you and Mr. Sanuji? Sorry, of course. Thank you. Thank you so much. May we please request you to sit here, Mr. Rahman. Mr. Sibal, I'm not letting you go so soon. First and foremost, I just want to know, when was the writer born in you? You've put a lot of poets to shame with this album. Tell us about your inspiration, about the journey of writing Ronak.
Well, it just happened accidentally, in a sense, that I met Rahman Saab and showed in some of my lyrics. And I think at about 27 or 30 of them, and he said he would pick up some, and he picked up about 7 of them, or 7 or 10 of them. And the one that we were agreed on, which we thought was the ideal lyric, was Ladli. And we went about thinking as to what kind of title should be given to the album, because we wanted to connect Ladli with a title that epitomizes what Ladli stands for. And I suggested the name Ronak, and Rahman Saab immediately accepted it, because what better word, so to say, to use with respect to a woman than Ronak, because she is the Ronak of our lives. She epitomizes everything that's beautiful. She is the creator. She is the transformer. She is the nurturer of everything around us. And she is the Ladli of our lives. And I think the quicker we in society understand the importance of that Ladli, the better we will be as a society. And I think recent events have made us realize that it's important to take this message forward. And what better platform than Vogue and Alex and yourself to really take it forward with a man who is a genius in every sense of the word. I never knew that Ladli, the words of Ladli can be created in the fashion that he has done and put it to music, which is, I think, unbelievable. And only a genius like Rahman could do that. So I thank Vogue and most of all, Rahman Saab for having done what he has done. Thank you very much.
Mr. Sibal, all I can say is that I wish the other billion people in this country start thinking like you, and especially all our men. I think there is a lesson to be learned. Thank you so much for those words. I'd now like to call Mr. Sanujit Bhujbal, Marketing Director, Sony Music India. Thank you so much, Sanujit, for supporting us, for helping us forge and seal this relationship between Mr. A.R. Rahman, Mr. Kapil Sibal, and Vogue India. It wouldn't have been possible without your support, so thank you so very much. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you. We started our journey with A.R. Rahman 16 years back with the eponymous album, Vande Mataram. And for us as a company, we have never looked back in the relationship. For us, relationships really matter and it's really special. And Ronak is one such special creation. It's not just an album, but it's a beautiful collaboration between two great artists, Mr. Rahman and Mr. Kapil Sibal. And we are very proud to be associated with Vogue Empire to proudly present this album for the special cause. As we speak, this album will go live on iTunes stores in the next half an hour. You can enjoy the album and the music.
All my thank yous, it would be incomplete without me thanking Blue Frog and all at Blue Frog for supporting us today by giving us this wonderful venue for this very, very special and unique afternoon. Without further ado, we'd like to release to you the world premiere of Ladli, sung by none other than Lata Mangeshkar, directed by Bijoy Nambiar, penned by Mr. Kapil Sibal, and composed and sung by Mr. A.R. Rahman. So here's bringing you Ladli. Thank you. Any questions from you all? Thank you.
सवाल आपसे है। मेरा नाम आलोक है, हम OAFM से। लता दीदी के साथ एक बार फिर से आपकी जुगलबंदी हुई है एंड कपिल साहब के बोल हैं, तो इस बार काम करना कितना इजी था? कब आपने, क्योंकि अक्सर आप रात में काम करते हैं तो 2-2:30 बजे गाने को कहते हैं, तो दीदी क्या रात में गाई, दिन में गाई? और RDB के गाने से ये कितना डिफरेंट है? सुना हमने काफ़ी।
When I heard the lyrics and when we did the tune, I felt like she would be the right voice because she represents the whole power of. So I approached her and she was glad to do it, but she first heard the song and I was there and she said, I don't feel like doing it today. So I said, okay, I've got to go. I didn't tell her all that. I was doing a Hollywood movie. I just came for that one day to record her voice, and she didn't feel like doing it. That such a privilege to even she's saying yes to the whole thing. So I waited for 3.5 months, and so another day we fixed. And again, I think she was a bit ill that time, and she was in her spirits. And then one day I said, if you don't do this, I'm not going to release the album. And she did it, and I heard it, and we have the album now. So it was worth the wait, I thought.
Thank you.
Mr. Rahman, usually you've been associated with a lot of social initiatives before also. So what makes Vogue Empower so different, and what made you, become a part of it?
I think it's we all the artists, I think naturally we have a sense of connection to what is absolutely necessary and how to influence people in a right way, subliminally, not. And music is such a great tool for that. Though I don't do that every time. In this case, I actually started an album with my sisters a couple of years back called Rasayana Rojakal, Chemical Roses, whatever it's called. And during that, I discovered many things that we could do at a point of view from a woman. I was discussing with my sisters, Rehana and Ishrat, and then when he showed me Ladli, I felt this is not a simple song, it's not a lullaby, it's something very powerful. So my interpretation for his lyrics were these. And then the perfect thing for Vogue Empower, I felt. And they seem to like the video too, they're smiling.
Hello.
Yeah, I have one question for you. It's been 7 years, for your journey, like with Vogue, So I want to ask you that what made you come up with this whole initiative, Vogue Empower, and where did and how the idea originated?
I'm sorry, I don't know your name.
I'm Atya.
Atya. Atya, actually, as a woman and a woman living in India, it's very hard to wake up every morning and to not be aware of what's happening around us. Domestic violence is just one form of gender inequality and violation of rights. There are many voices that go unheard. There are many troubles that women go through that are not brought to the front page or even the second page of a newspaper. All that's brought to our light are the atrocities, the physical atrocities. That sort of was a trigger for us. It happened more and more, and we kept reading about it. And as an office which is predominantly filled with men, it wasn't something that escaped us. It sort of stayed with us. And then comes the next obvious question, which is what can we do as a brand? What can we do as women? What can we do as individuals? Sometimes giving money is the easiest part. I don't know if you understand that, but what was important was to use the influence, reach, and the power of the brand Vogue to raise awareness on issues pertaining to women and women's empowerment. There was early on there were some quick learnings for us that empowerment is not something that affects only that live in rural India. It's as much an urban dilemma as it is rural. Secondly, empowerment is not about escaping domestic abuse. It's about being the mistress of your own life, making your own choices, being able to pursue happiness on your own terms. So the net was definitely far wider. That's why we felt that as a brand that did have a certain reach, have a voice, we wanted to take this intent and marry the content of the magazine. So thus started our journey towards Vogue Empower. We started off very small. I still remember our first pledge maker was Sudhati. When we met her, within half an hour, she told my features editor was happy to give us money towards a charity that supports cycle cancer. So we knew that we had hit the right note, and we weren't the only ones thinking this way. Slowly, the entire galaxy grew, and we had about 100 people who came on board to help us in a way, big or small.
Hello, good evening to all. Or Kapil Sibal, yeah, yeah. आपसे पूछना था कि औरतों के खिलाफ जो औरतों के साथ जो क्राइम हो रहे हैं तो क्या सलूशन उस क्राइम को स्टॉप करने के लिए?
ऐसे सच्चाई तो ये है कि सोल्यूशन मैं और मैं क्यों इसलिए ये क्योंकि जब तक जो पुरुष लोग हैं वो इन सिकता और सोच नहीं बदलेंगे तब तक तो हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं वो शिखर तक नहीं पहुंचेगा। समाज में जो अत्याचार हो रहा है वो कौन करता है? हम लोग पुरुष लोग करते हैं, क्योंकि हम अहमियत एक महिला को एक लाडली को मिलना चाहिए, वो अहमियत हम नहीं देते। घर में देते, घर के बाहर नहीं देते, दफ्तरों में नहीं देते और अपने घर के आंगन में नहीं देते। और इसके पीछे जो है वो पुरुष लोगों का है, उनकी मानता और उनकी सोच का। और जब तक अपनी सोच नहीं बदलेगा समाज भी नहीं बदलेगा। सॉल्यूशन मैं और आप हैं।
रहमान, जितने भी लाडले हैं और लाडली हैं वो आपके गीतों को पसंद करके झूमते हैं, थिरकते हैं। खुद के लाडले जो लाडली हैं, आपकी 2 बच्चियां हैं, वो कितना पसंद हैं आपके गीतों को और कौन से उनके फेवरेट गाने हैं जो अक्सर गुनगुनाती हैं? आप तो मिलना आपका बहुत मुश्किल है, आप इतने काम में बिजी होते हैं। आपके किन गीतों को पसंद करती हैं?
My kids, they've not seen it yet. But I'm sure that my wife she said she loved the video. And an hour back. Because we finished it last usual.
Yeah, we're here. Fabulous video and quite enchanting lines from you. Really great to watch. मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगा, एक बार फिर जब आप आए हैं तो काफ़ी रौनक आ गई है महफिल में। हम ये जानना चाहते हैं आपसे कि और कौन-कौन से हैं जो जिनसे आप हमें आगे बढ़ाने वाले हैं?
अब देखिए, वो इस 7 गाने हैं, 7 लिरिक्स हैं जिनका म्यूज़िक रहमान साहब ने दिया है। तो मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग वो 7 गाने, और हर एक गाने का ही मकसद है, अपनी ही सोच है उसके पीछे। एक नई कुछ लव सॉन्ग्स हैं, कुछ ना भी उसमें है। तो आपको पहले तो वो पसंद आएगा। और अब मैं कि जब रहमान साहब से अगला मेरा रिश्ता ये आगे बढ़ता रहे कि हमें भी कुछ हम करके दिखाएं, तो हमने हिंदी में किया है, तो हम चाहेंगे इसी में भी कुछ एक एल्बम बनाएं रहमान के साथ, उनके साथ बात करेंगे और आप भी उसके बाद बात होगी।
ओके, हेलो।
No, only other songs have been sung. Shreya Ghoshal, Chitra ji, and a new singer called Janita Gandhi. Then me, Chan, and then we have Sweta and Jyoti who recite the poetry.
When do you plan to release the entire?
Today it's out of news finally.
हाँ, मैं पूछा। मेरा सवाल सिबल सर से, सर जिया न्यूज़ से धीरेन्द्र मिश्रा। सवाल ये है कि जिस तरह से हमारे पीएम स्वागत अमेरिका में हुआ है, एज ए इंडियन कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं?
हम तो देखिए, जो भी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री होंगे, अगर उनका होगा तो वी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी, क्योंकि हिंद के प्रधानमंत्री हैं।
ओके, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे यही सेम क्वेश्चन।
it's a great time here, and I love the whole positive happening.
Thank you.
Rahman, which is that thing? Yeah, here, straight. Mr. Rahman, which is about Sibbal Saab, which makes you just come up together and work with him, which is the best thing about him. What you like with?
Thing about working with when on movies, especially every poet bend on the thoughts to some direction or the director, or the vision of the director on the story. So when I saw his poetry and the words, I felt it was coming. It had a simplicity in it. That's the reason I want to do something.
Sir, Raman sir here. One of the hits of your career, Roja, was played recently in Malaysia. I saw a link that you tweeted. Could you tell about it? What was?
I think it was somewhere in Ukraine, I think. And it was surprising. Somebody discovered that and sent it to me, and I thought I should share it with all of you. How music over time, a period of time.
जी ऐसी खबरें आ रही हैं कि आप एक फिल्म हिंदी यूज़ करने जा रहे हैं कितनी सच्चाई है इस बात पे और किस बनने वाली है वो बॉलीवुड में
You wait for that another couple of months.
हाँ
Working
जी।
so hard. on it.
एनी पर्टिकुलर वर्क
It's a musical, of course.
रहमान जी आपसे पूछना है आजकल सिंगर से एक्टर्स बन रहे हैं और कुछ एक्टर बन रहे हैं तो क्या राय है आपकी इस बारे में?
Going back to the old 1940s, it used to be like that. Even in Western Broadway, it's every actor, singers become a good thing.
Point.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies. Coming to topic discussing, Mr. Rahman, you're targeting the 1% educated class and trying to get something out of them to give it to the rural, because where most of the problem lies. I think, have you thought of that, how to go around it? Because in the targeting, the women are far better off, 10 times better than in most respects. But they don't, it's the class which is down.
To ask and inspire them, and they follow everything. Everybody has TV now, and when I could be that, and the whole idea behind the video, and I also feel that others are the starting point who can do this because they bear and they could teach us to behave, and that never happens. It's all taken for granted mostly. I'll probably start with my house. And I've been telling my son when they had a fight, my son and my sisters had fights, don't ever touch my daughters. If you touch the real house. And from then he never hit him, he just holds like that. So it's a cute lesson. Notice that if you put that in the mind of a kid, they I think carry that for life. No, no, I think you should listen to the song. I don't want impact now.
That's all? Sorry, yes, the lady.
अभी 2 दिन पहले
He can sing if you want.
या आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चन है कि जयललिता जी 2 दिन पहले एक फैसला स्पेशल बेंच ने एक फैसला आप इस फैसले से कितने खुश हैं और
देखिए आप अभी देखिए रौनक का लॉन्च हो तो आप रौनक में वो खटपट मत कीजिए रौनक को रोने रहने दीजिए
Okay, if that's
This actually happened naturally, and it was in the lyrics, of course. And when he read it out, we all felt energy in the room, and friends and who was there in the room, and we felt that this song was very, very special. This song actually stayed with us. All the 7 are beautiful, but this stayed, and then that's why it developed into this far, and it got its due.
Anything you would love to share with us about coming projects, because we are reading a lot of you getting a lot this year and the upcoming year. So any like how did you remove time and how are you managing with your other apps and music?
Finishing really, really tough, but we finished it. Really proud of this. Project I'm doing is with Ellie and Shekhar Kapoor, Pani, and what else?
There was one with Riya Kapoor.
Ai is
also.
coming. Hindi is coming, and I heard Sylvester Stallone was coming and singing it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to all of you. Thank you for joining us. Please stay.